Have you ever wondered how businesses sift through mountains of data to make decisions in real time, or how scientists analyze trends to predict future outcomes? The secret lies in the tools they use. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's Python for Data Analysis series. Today, we're going to explore the key Python libraries that turn raw data into valuable insights. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. These libraries are the engines that power data analysis, and understanding them is your first step to mastering the field. Let's dive in and discover how these tools can help you transform data into knowledge. Let's kick things off with NumPy, the foundation of numerical computing in Python. NumPy stands for Numerical Python and is specifically designed to handle numerical data efficiently. Imagine you're working with a massive data set, millions of rows, hundreds of columns. For performing calculations on such a dataset with regular Python lists would be painfully slow and memory-intensive. This is where NumPy comes in, providing a powerful array object that enables you to perform mathematical operations at lightning speed. In this example, we've created a simple NumPy array and used npSum to calculate the sum of its elements. But that's just scratching the surface. NumPy arrays are more than just a replacement for Python lists. They are n-dimensional, meaning you can work with matrices and tensors, making them ideal for complex mathematical computations. NumPy also provides a wide range of functions for performing operations like mean, standard deviation, and matrix multiplication. These operations are optimized for performance, meaning they can handle large data sets much more efficiently than standard Python code. As you can see, calculating the mean and standard deviation of an array is straightforward with NumPy. These operations are essential when you're analyzing data, as they help you understand the distribution and spread of your dataset. NumPy is a must-have tool for any data analyst, laying the groundwork for everything else you'll do in Python. Next up, let's dive into Pandas, which is arguably the most important library for data analysis in Python. If NumPy is the backbone, Pandas is the heart, pumping data into your analysis pipeline with unmatched efficiency. Series and data frames. A series is essentially a one-dimensional array with labels, and a data frame is a two-dimensional, tabular data structure similar to an Excel spreadsheet, but with superpowers. Here we've created a data frame to store names and ages. Data frames are incredibly versatile. They allow you to manipulate data by filtering rows, selecting columns, and even performing complex operations across your dataset. Let's take a closer look at how Pandas makes data manipulation a breeze. In this example, we filtered the data frame to only include people older than 25. We also added a new column called Occupation. With just a few lines of code, Pandas lets you transform your data in powerful ways. This kind of flexibility is crucial when dealing with real-world data sets that are often messy and require cleaning before analysis. Pandas also shines when it comes to handling missing data, merging multiple data sets, and even reshaping data to fit your analysis needs. For example, you can use functions like fillName to replace missing values or merge to combine datasets based on a common key. Here, we filled the missing value in the AJ column with 30 using fillName. This kind of data cleaning is often the first step in any data analysis process, and Pandas makes it incredibly easy to get your data into shape. Once your data is clean and ready to go, it's time to visualize it. This is where Matplotlib comes in. Matplotlib is the most popular plotting library in Python and is essential for creating a wide range of visualizations, from simple line graphs to complex bar charts and histograms. Visualizing data helps you spot trends, outliers, and patterns that might not be immediately obvious from the raw numbers. In this example, we've created a simple line plot with markers and grid lines to visualize the relationship between two variables. Matplotlib's flexibility allows you to customize every aspect of your plot, from the colors and styles to the labels and legends. But Matplotlib is not just about line plots. You can create bar charts, histograms, scatter plots, and more. Each plot type provides a different way to visualize your data, depending on the story you want to tell. Here's a simple bar chart that compares values across different categories. Bar charts are great for showing comparisons, while histograms are perfect for displaying the distribution of a dataset. In this histogram, we're visualizing the frequency distribution of a dataset. Each bar represents the number of occurrences within a specific range, making it easy to see how the data is distributed, whether you're working with categorical or numerical data. Matplotlib has the tools you need to create informative and visually appealing plots. Finally, let's take a look at Seaborn. Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib and takes data visualization to the next level by making it easier to create complex and beautiful statistical plots. Seaborn is particularly useful for exploring relationships between variables and visualizing distribution. Here, we've created a heat map using Seaborn. Heat maps are fantastic for visualizing the correlation between variables. The color gradient helps you quickly identify areas of high and low correlation, making complex data easier to interpret. Seaborn also excels at creating statistical plots like box plots, violin plots, and pair plots, which are invaluable for understanding the distribution and relationships within your data. In this box plot, we're visualizing the distribution of data points. Box plots are great for identifying outliers and understanding the spread of your data. Seaborn's default aesthetics and simplicity make it an excellent choice for creating stunning visualizations with minimal code.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
And there you have it, an in-depth introduction to the essential Python libraries for data analysis. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn are the pillars of data analysis in Python, each offering unique capabilities that, when combined, provide a powerful toolkit for turning raw data into actionable insights. In our next videos, we'll be diving deeper into each of these libraries, exploring their advanced features, and applying them to real-world data analysis projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep this learning journey going strong. See you in the next video.